Now it is question number 8. 12x to the power 4 minus 56x cube plus 89x square minus 56x plus 12 equals 0. Since coefficient of x to the power 4 and constant term are equal and coefficient of x cube and coefficient of x are equal, then the given equation can be changed into a bracket x square plus 1 by x square plus b bracket x plus minus 1 by x plus c form. We can change the given equation in this form. For it, we divide the equation by x square. Then we have 12x to the power 4 by x square minus 56 x cube by x square plus 89 x square by x square minus 56 x by x square and 12 by x square equals 0. Now 12x to the power 4 by x square becomes 12x square, and it is 56x, 89, 1 by x, 56 by x plus 12 by x square. Now we have 12x square and 12 by x square together and put 56x and minus 56 by x together plus 89. Now take 12 common. We have x square plus 1 by x square minus 56 common. We have x plus 1 by x plus 89 equal 0. Now this equation becomes in this form. The equation whose are in this form, ax square plus 1 by x square plus b x plus minus 1 by x plus c equals 0. We take x plus minus 1 by x equal another variable y. Then we square this term, square x plus minus 1 by x whole square equal y square. Then the value of this term is a square plus b square and plus 2ab or minus 2ab means plus minus 2ab, means plus minus 2 into x into 1 by x equal y square. This x cancel out. From here we can find the value of x square plus 1 by x square, which is y square minus plus 2. Now we put the value of x square plus 1 by x square here and solve this quadratic equation for y. Then in this quadratic equation we let by a similar method x plus 1 by x equal y, x plus 1 by x equal y, square this term, we have x plus 1 by x whole square equal y square. Now open the bracket, x square plus b square means 1 square 1 and x square is x square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x equal y square. From here we have the value of x square by x square plus 1 by x square, which is equal y square minus 2. Now put the value of x square plus 1 by x square and x plus 1 by x in equation 1. Then equation 1 becomes 12. Value of x square plus 1 by x square is y square minus 2 minus 56. The value of x plus 1 by x is y 89. Then 12y square minus 24 minus 56y plus 89 equals 0. Then 12y square minus 56y and 89 minus 24 65. We have to find two factors of 780 such that their sum gives us 56, and the two factors are 56 means 13 to the 26 into 5 is 15 into 30, 15 into 2 30. The two factors are 30 and 26. We put the value 12y square minus 56 can be written as 26 plus 30 y plus 65 equals 0. Now 12y square minus 26y minus 30y plus 65 equals 0. Take to common 2y. We have 6y minus 13 and 5 common, 6y minus 13. Then we have 6y minus 13 into 2y minus 5 equals 0. Then value of y is, if 6y minus 13 equals 0, then value of y is 13 by 6. If 2y minus 5 equals 0, then value of y is 5 by 2. Now put these value in this equation. Value of y is 13 by 6. Then x plus 1 by x equal 13 by 6. Now take LCM. X square plus 1 by x equal 13 by 6. Cross multiply 6x square plus 6 equal 13x. Then 6x square minus 13x plus 6 equals 0. Then it is equal 6x square minus 9x minus 4x plus 6 equals 0. Value of 3 common, 3x common. Then we have 2x minus 3 and 2 common, 2x minus 3. Then the value of x can be obtained by 2x minus 3 into 3x minus 2. The product of these two terms equals 0. Then value of x is either 3 by 2 or 2 by 3. Now if y equal 5 by 2, then our equation becomes x plus 1 by x equal 5 by 2. Then x square plus 1 by x equal 5 by 2. Cross multiply, we get 2x square plus 2 equal 5x. Then 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equals 0. Now solve this equation by factorization. We have 2x square minus 4 plus 1 x plus 2 equals 0. Open the bracket, 2x square minus 4x minus 1x plus 2 equals 0. Then it is 2x x minus 2 minus 1 x minus 2 equals 0. Then x minus 2 into 2x minus 1 equals 0, and the product of these two terms equals 0 means either x minus 2 equals 0, then we have x equal 2, or x2 or 2x minus 1 equals 0, we have x equal 1 by 2. And these are the possible roots of given quadratic equation.